Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and in this video I want to teach you how to convert numbers to ratios, ratios to numbers, and what a regret would be if you would study hard for your genetics exam. You would study all the mechanisms that produce different phenotypes, but wouldn't be able to overcome the first step, converting numbers to ratios and backwards. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to do it. It is very easy and would take you just a couple minutes. So our problem today is the ratio of the red flowered plants to white flowered plants in the greenhouse is 7 to 5, and there are 25 white flowered plants in the greenhouse. How many plants are there in the greenhouse in total? So imagine that we have, for example, red flowered plants and white flowered plants, and say we would have 700 red flowered plants and 500 white flowered plants. What the ratio would be? The ratio would be 7 to 5. Let's say we have 14 red flowered plants and we have 10 white flowered plants. What the ratio would be? Once again, the ratio would be 7 to 5. Or we may have 21 red flowered plants and we may have 15 white flowered plants, and still the ratio would be 7 to 5. So as you see, in each example we have different absolute numbers, but we have the same ratios. So now you're ready for the conceptual idea of the constant of the ratio. So in the first example we had 100 here and 100 here. This is going to be the same number on the left and right side. If we multiply 7 by 100, we are going to get 700. If we multiply 5 by 100, we are going to get 500. In the second example, constant of the ratio is 2 and 2 here. So if we multiply 7 by 2, we are going to get 14. If we multiply 5 by 2, we are going to get 10. And in our third example, constant of the ratio is 3. So if we multiply 7 by 3, we are going to get 21. If we multiply 5 by 3, we are going to get 15. So let's now return to our problem. We are told that we have 20 white flowered plants and the ratio is 5 to 7. So once again we can say that 5x, we don't know constant of the ratio, would equal to 25. So that means that if we would leave x on the left side, we are going to get 25 divided by 5, so x would equal to 5. So constant of the ratio would be 5. So now we can return to our initial problem. So we have 7 multiplied by constant of the ratio 5, and we have 5 white flowered plants. So we basically now take this ratio and just add constant of the ratio to our formula, to our ratio. So we have white flowered plants and 5 would be constant of the ratio. So it is easy to say that in a greenhouse we have 35 red flowered plants and we have 25 white flowered plants. So now we can add these two numbers and the answer would be, the total number of the plants in the greenhouse would be 60. And this is going to be our answer today. I hope now you would be able easily to solve analogous problems. Of course, on your exam you probably wouldn't see problems exactly like this. This is just can be a first step in your calculations where you would be given absolute numbers which you have to convert in ratios or vice versa. So Now I hope you would be better prepared. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Please share this video with your classmates and see you in the next video. Goodbye.